How to change text size on Facebook and iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can change the text size on Facebook app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the Facebook app itself does not have a feature to actually change the text size, but there is actually a simple way to enable this by simply going to settings, then going to control center, then simply turning on text size, then tap on text size and add it to your control center. Right now, once we have done that, you can come back to the Facebook app and swipe down your control center. Here you'll find text size, so you have to long press on it. Now normally you can enable this for all apps, but if you want to enable this for Facebook only, you can choose a certain text size, select Facebook only, and once you've done that and when you come to the Facebook app, you can see the text size on Facebook has been successfully increased. So you don't have to change it for the all of your phone itself. For the other devices it's normal, but for your Facebook app only, you can choose to long press on it, and then you can choose to customize the text size depending upon what it is that you actually prefer. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.